power button is on the left side of the terminal. Press and hold the power button until the LCD screen lights up. Press and hold the power button to choose power off or restart. Tap power off or restart after the menu appears on the screen, then tap OK. Go to Setting on the terminal home screen. Then tap Wi-Fi. The terminal will automatically search for available Wi-Fi networks. Tap the name of your Wi-Fi network. Or tap Connect Wi-Fi on the reminder of the KPay POS App login page. Select a Wi-Fi network you want to join. You can log in now. Tap KPay POS App on the home screen. Enter your account name and password, then tap Login. If you encounter any issues while using the product, feel free to contact us. Our customer service team will assist you in resolving any difficulties as soon as possible.